Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tune-up report for Dave in Maine on the Ranger RCI-2995DX CF. Dave got it ready to go for you, bud. Truckerized is going to be the tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, electrolytic capacitor upgrades, wideband transmit and receive, brighter LEDs in the meters, power supply upgrade, that's a biggie. We got you an amp on off switch back here as well. And let's just get right to it. Start with RF power all the way down. 100 watt slug. We got you at 5 watts, Dave, just in case you decide to run amp, you got full adjustability. 40 all the way up. See average power swing. Hello. We'll call it 84, 85 bird. 250 watt slug in PEP. 1, 2 audio. And about 190 PEP. We'll go over to sideband. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 audio. And we got about 170 on the sidebands. All right, Dave. Thing's ready to go for you, bud. We appreciate you. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Dave, my friend in Maine, you've been truckerized. Bum bum.